Wooden decks and fences add beauty and value to your home, but over time they can start to show signs of wear, from loose boards and splinters to fading, rot, and rusted fasteners. The good news is that repairing and restoring wood structures is easier than you might think. Here's how to repair wooden decks and fences like a pro. Start by inspecting your deck or fence for damage. Look for loose boards, nails sticking out, soft spots, or areas that feel spongy. These may indicate rot. Use a screwdriver to test any suspicious wood. If it sinks in easily, the board needs replacing. Begin repairs by tightening or replacing fasteners. For decks, drive in deck screws where nails have popped up, or replace rusted screws with stainless steel or coated deck screws that resist corrosion. For fences, tighten loose pickets and rails using exterior-grade screws. Next, tackle any rotted or damaged boards. Use a pry bar to remove them, being careful not to damage surrounding boards. Cut a replacement board to size using pressure-treated lumber and attach it securely. Always leave a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch, between deck boards for drainage. If your deck boards are still solid but rough or splintered, use a sander or power washer to smooth and clean the surface. A pressure washer on a medium setting can remove dirt, mold, and old finishes. Let the wood dry for at least 48 hours before staining or sealing. Now, check the railings and posts. Loose railings can be dangerous, so tighten or replace any wobbly connections. For fences, check that posts are still secure in the ground. If any are leaning, dig around the base, straighten them, and pack new concrete or gravel for stability. If you find minor cracks in boards or posts, fill them with exterior-grade wood filler or epoxy. Once it dries, sand it smooth and touch up with matching stain or paint. To protect your repairs and extend the life of your deck or fence, apply a wood sealer or stain. Semi-transparent stains enhance the wood's natural grain while providing UV protection. For older weathered wood, a solid color stain offers the best coverage. Use a brush, roller, or sprayer for even application and recoat every 2 to 3 years. A few pro tips. Always work on a dry, mild weather day to ensure finishes adhere properly. Replace damaged hardware like hinges or latches on gates for smoother operation. And keep vegetation trimmed around fences and deck posts to prevent moisture buildup. Regular maintenance, cleaning, tightening, and sealing can double the lifespan of your wood structures. By taking a weekend to repair your wooden decks and fences now, you'll keep them strong, safe, and beautiful for years to come.